All right. We are done. First threads ever cut on this lathe. They actually look pretty good. But proof is in the pudding. This is what they're supposed to be. And that's them. Do they fit though? No fucking way. No way. What? I mean, they're a little tight. But, I mean, they should be tight, right? Crazy. I don't have very many change gears. I've only got the 2. But the way it's set up, it cut 24 threads per inch. And the only tap I had was a, you know, to like check the threads with, was a 3/8 24. I can't believe that worked. Wow, I mean, they feel really nice too. Yes. Back gears work just fine on this old girl. I changed out the grease or the oil in here and cleaned these up. What a world of difference that made. You guys were right. That's all I needed was some clean oil. I am going to scrape these back in and scrape in these ways. But yeah, man, I am so pleased with that. Can't believe it. First threads. Came out great.